Hello all, in this video we will make our HTTP reverse shell, which we coded earlier, a persistent shell. Then we will export it to exe and give it a try and test it. Now almost all of the hard work has gone already, and at this point you should be familiar with each part of the code. So to recap really quick, what I have done here is to change the putty.exe to persistence.exe, which will be our exe file name. The destination part is gonna be the same to document folder. Finally, we started our HTTP reverse shell as usual. Okay, so everything is in place. So let's try and export this code to exe. And the name here is gonna be persistence. Okay, once it's done, it should be on the dist folder. Okay, so everything is ready, but I won't run the script here. Instead, I will test it on a non-admin account just to make my point, as no part on our shell does require an admin privilege. So I will create a standard user called Hossam. Okay, let me just create a quick password. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this file to my computer C, so we can grab that file from the non-standard user once we log into that account. So I will just log off and I will log in here. Okay, let me just prepare the desktop icons. Okay, so this is our persistence here. And as usual, before running that shell, let me just verify that we got nothing on the registry database. So it's current user, software, Microsoft, scroll down, Windows, current version, run, and we got nothing. Also, let's quickly verify the documents. It's empty. Okay, right now I will set up our listener on the Kali side. So let me run our HTTP server. Okay, so I'm gonna run the file here. And once I do that, fair enough, we got our shell. Notice that the registry key has been added successfully. And at the end, our file was able to find out the username, which is Hossam, and copy itself in the documents folder successfully. Let's verify that our shell is working as expected. So I'm gonna start the task manager here. Okay, let's start with ping 10.10.10.100, which is the IP address of the Kali machine. And I will check the ARP table on the Windows side, ARP-A, and fair enough, it's fine, working fine. Okay, so I will terminate the process and I will assume that our target has deleted the shell file, and after that he restarted the machine. So let's see if we're gonna survive after doing that. Okay, so type my password and I will set up the listener here. Let's log in. This is our shell here again. So I hope that this video has been informative for you, and thanks for watching.